Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use omega-3 capsules for hair. Omega-3 fatty acids are fantastic for boosting your hair health from the inside out. They work by nourishing your hair follicles, which encourages stronger growth and can even help reduce hair loss. Plus, these powerful nutrients help to soothe scalp inflammation, creating a healthier environment for your hair to thrive. You'll notice increased shine and overall vitality with consistent use. For optimal hair health benefits, aim for a daily intake of between 250 to 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. It's best to take your omega-3 capsules with a meal that contains some fat, as this significantly helps your body absorb the fatty acids more effectively. Remember, consistency is crucial. Taking your supplement regularly over several months will yield the best results for your hair. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. When you start taking omega-3 capsules for your hair, patience is important. You can typically expect to see noticeable improvements in hair health and growth after about 3 months of consistent use. For the best possible outcomes, combine your supplement routine with a balanced diet rich in other essential nutrients. Also, remember to store your omega-3 capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. Remember to always choose high-quality omega-3 supplements from reputable brands to ensure purity and effectiveness. While generally well-tolerated, some people might experience mild digestive side effects like burping or an upset stomach. If this happens, try taking them with food. Also, for those looking to simplify their healthy eating, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.